Now who wants to go first?
Were you gonna say who wants to go fast?
See you boys back at the lab. Hi-ho, Jerry Mario! Away! Oh, ow! Why would anyone want to ride one of these things? Ow!
My section of the epic track is all about speed. We start out with just a little bit of a hill. Then we pick up some speed on the drop.
Oh, this ain't so fast!
My section of the epic track will showcase the power of science.
Lasers! Careful, guys. Don't get zapped. Uh-oh! Great job, team. Way to avoid those lasers.
I'm having a vision of an epic track that's tranquil like my koi pop.
Hey, boys. So pretty. Do you like monsters?
What this epic track needs is a shortcut, wide style. It'll be so dangerous, no one could possibly drive through it and make it out the other end alive. Crushing boulders and buzzsaws. Yeah, that's the perfect level of fuzziness. So awesome! Looky there! I call it the spin storm! No one, and I mean no one, will be able to make it through alive. It's impossible.